extreme adventure, defying the elements, exploring the outdoors. We are USA Survival Paracord World. Interchangeable survival watch bands made in USA for most watches. Whatever is your outdoor activity, you can rely on our stylish bands for comfort and reliability, so you can enjoy your favorite watch on your adventure. Over 60 color combinations, there is almost endless color possibilities. Whether for a smartwatch, your special outdoor Casio, or everyday sports or military watch, you can be sure to find the perfect color band to match your favorite watch. Not sure what color to buy? In this video, we put together watches and bands to help you make that choice. Our bands are carefully made one customer at a time, and as always, they are made in the USA. We use high-quality materials and make sure your band is perfect before shipping. Your custom band ships within 24 to 48 hours. When your order is completed, our quality control checks for measurement, functionality, and finished product. First, we ensure your band size and lug width are correct and correspond to the watt size you purchased for. Second, we ensure the buckle functions and the hook and loop fastens properly. Last, we check the band weave to ensure there is no defects, and the band has a clean finish. We are confident you will enjoy your new band. Your satisfaction is our utmost priority. With easy exchanges and returns, you can buy with confidence and assurance of great customer service. We are here to assist you with any questions you may have. To contact us, please go to our website www.usasurvivalparacordworld.com. We reply within 24 hours or sooner. Explore the outdoors with confidence. Custom made, perfect fit, and reliable. Proudly made in the USA, one customer at a time. In the meanwhile, see some ideas on how you can match our bands to different watches.